Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by ensuring the car is secure. Park, set parking gear, and chock wheels if needed. Once done, turn the ignition to ACC or start the engine so electronic systems power the release. Reach for the emergency brake lever or button and rest your hand on the release latch. You want to feel how tightly it holds. Now apply steady force to the latch. Do not yank, so the pawl disengages. This first action primes the mechanism for the next steps. You proceed by coordinating brake pedal and release. Press the main brake firmly with your foot. Then, either press the release button on the hand lever while lowering it slowly, or for foot-style pedals, press the pedal fully and pull the smaller release handle. If electronic, press and hold the switch while keeping the brake depressed until the indicator light changes. Once you hear the engagement click or see the light go out, gently ease off the foot brake to confirm. You finish by testing. Drive forward slowly and reapply the brake lightly to verify normal operation. If the brake remains engaged, make sure battery voltage is adequate and check the fuse for the parking brake or ABS system. Low voltage can prevent electronic releases. For mechanical jams, try the manual release cable or the override slot. Consult the owner manual. If cables are corroded or binding, do not force it. Contact a mechanic. That single troubleshooting step prevents damage and ensures safety.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.